If you want fast guessing and actually spot profitable bets, OddsJam is designed to give you that edge. The platform constantly scans sportsbooks in real time and shows you where odds don't line up. When two sportsbooks disagree, that's where profit is hiding. OddsJam find these gaps and highlight opportunities like arbitrage bets, which let you cover both sides of a game and guarantee a small but safe return. It also uncovers positive expected value bets. These aren't risk-free, but over time, they tilt the odds in your favor and help you win more than you lose. Add features like low hold bets for turning promos into cash, middles where you can hit both sides, and built-in tracker with alerts, and you've got a full system for smarter betting. OddsJam isn't free, but they do offer a 7-day trial so you can test everything before paying. If you want to see how it works, check the link in my description and try it out today.